big cubes. But anyways, I do want to make these cubes make some cool looking patterns. So I'm going to start by just making checker patterns with these sets of cubes. So the first step is to take these pulls apart. What I like to do is pull off. It's just misaligned a layer and pull off from the corners. Sometimes the edge will come with it. This one. This is the blue one. Ooh. And then to do one. There. Alright, so now we can get the rest of the cubes. Now we can get the cubes completely open. Get the rest of these pieces out, and then we'll sort pieces into how we enter groups. And then put these 6 cubes back together. When the pieces separated, the edges, but when the right edge pieces separated, there's a right edge that's separated. Nope, it's not. It is. Edge piece. We still have 2 cubes to assemble. So I think how I'm going to do it is I am going to place all the cores spread out. Like I'm going to place 3 cores here and 3 cores here. Will probably be the idea. And then I'll put the edges and corners that I'll be putting onto each core with it. Anyways, I think I've explained to you the whole plan. So let's go ahead and start time. Hi guys. So we finished making the 4 cubes into these cool patterns. So I've actually packed them up, and let's go ahead and open them up. So here's the ones I made with the white and yellow force cubes. Here's the ones I made with the green and blue force cubes. They're my favorite. And here are the ones that I made out of the red and orange force cubes. So that makes a total of 6 cubes. So we have 6 cubes here. Draw 6 cubes. So 6 identical Rubik's cubes. But they are now cool. They're still exactly identical. These are actually they're still course, that's the same model cube. So yeah, really cool. Look really cool. And yeah, I like them. Anyways, that's pretty much it. Let me pack these cubes up to protect them. Anyways, that's pretty much it. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!